Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today I have something beautiful for you guys. Today I'm going to make my aubergine authentic stew, Ghanaian stew. So I have my aubergine here. This is aubergine. Yeah, and also you can use garden eggs as well if you prefer. Yeah, these are aubergine. And then I have my swordfish here. I think Ghana they call it opoku or something like that. Yeah, okay. And I have home baked mackerel here. I have 2 large onion here, and then I have 1 can of canned tomatoes chopped, and then I have bottom mushroom, also baby bottom mushroom, and then I have my homemade garlic, onion, ginger, and scotch bonnet here. I have my oil, zumi oil, and then I have my tuna, pink tuna salmon in tomato sauce also that we're going to use with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. First we're going to put our oil in here. And that's it. And I'm going to add a bit of vegetable oil also into it. Not much. So I'm going to leave it to warming a bit, and then I'll add the onion. I'm going to add the onion, the garlic, the ginger, and the scotch bonnet mix first. Mix it. Yeah, so we're going to leave this to cook gently, nicely. So while this is cooking, I'm going to add my onion also. Red onion, nicely and tasty. See, add them together, and also I'm going to add my salt fish here. So what I did with the salt fish, I soaked it in water for about 5 hours, yeah, because it contains a lot of salt. And then now I'm going to add this into the onion, with the onion, the stew. Mix it well and leave it to cook gently as well. Okay. So now I'm adding my tomatoes in here. Mix it nicely. That's it. Now I am going to leave this one to cook. I'm going to cover this to cook for another 5 minutes. So now I'm adding the mushroom into the stew. So now I'm adding the Pilchards into the stew also. So you can break it by gentle. Okay, that's it. And you stir. So at this point I have not added any salt, because my salted fish is quite salty, so I haven't added anything, no salt at all, until later I'll taste it and see if it's okay, then I can add salt. Okay, and also I'm adding fish prawns and fish powder into it as well to give it a nice taste. Oh gosh, it smells so nice. It smells very beautiful. So now you can see how it's still cooking, and it smells so good. Very, very, very nice. So I'm going to add my aubergine into it. Okay, and now and this aubergine cook really fast, so it will cook nicely. You won't see it. All the chunk of aubergine will be melted. You won't see it. It smells so good, guys. Oh my goodness, it smells nice. So at the moment, this stew is almost done, so I'm going to add the mackerel now, and pink salmon also in there. Let's see, mix them together. Look at all this chunk. Oh my, this stew is out of this world. Look at that, beautiful. So I have tasted it. I need a bit of salt into it, so I'm going to add a bit of salt into it. I say that much. So voila, this is our stew. It's nicely done, cooked. You see the aubergine has melted. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? We have all the chunk that we need. That's the salmon. We have the mushrooms and everything. So I'm going to serve this stew with my yam that I boiled earlier. Here, nicely. I'm going to add the stew on the side. Nicely presentable, eatable, and it smells so nice as well. So our stew is done. What do you think, guys? Isn't it not beautiful? Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. So for our stew, everything took us around about an hour to do it, and I was done. So you can have with this, you can have with anything of your choice. Boiled yam like this one, boiled plantain, potatoes and everything. So thank you for coming today, and I hope to see you again. And please do share, like and subscribe, and tell your friends about it. I'll see you soon. Bye.